Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by cutting and measuring so the flavor is consistent. Use 4 cups of cubed watermelon and remove seeds for a smooth tea. Add 1/4 cup sugar or 1/4 cup honey to balance the melon's sweetness. A squeeze of lemon brightens the profile. Place the fruit and sweetener into a blender because pureeing releases the juice and aroma efficiently. Once done, pulse briefly to avoid excess pulp, and make sure your blender lid is secure to prevent splatter. You should brew 2 cups of strong black or green tea and let it cool because hot tea wilts fresh watermelon and changes flavor. Once your watermelon is blended until smooth, strain it through a fine sieve to remove pulp and any tiny seeds. This yields a clear, refreshing base. Then combine the strained juice with the 2 cups of cooled tea and stir thoroughly so flavors marry evenly. If it tastes flat, add more sweetener or a splash of lemon to sharpen the profile. You now chill the combined watermelon tea for 30 to 60 minutes so flavors meld and it becomes refreshingly cold. Serve over ice with mint or lime for contrast. If you want sparkle, once chilled, replace up to 1 cup of tea with club soda just before serving to preserve effervescence. If the drink turns cloudy or bitter, restrain to remove remaining solids. Use milder tea next time, or add 1 teaspoon of citrus to balance bitterness. This fixes most off flavors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.